Good afternoon, respected sir and ma'am. I hope you are well and safe. As you know, the world is suffering from the pandemic coronavirus, which is a very hard situation for all of us. And I hope you are well and safe. So, this is Isha here demonstrating my minor project entitled Home Automation Using Voice Recognition. As you know that the pandemic corona is spread just by touching or having the contact with the things. So I hope this will be useful and you will enjoy it. In today's era, IoT plays a very important role. So here I am with the IoT based project which controls the home appliances via voice commands. I have also built an Android app using the speech recognizer to send the commands and control the home appliances. We have to give the command to the app Homey when the Wi-Fi is connected. We can give the commands to the speech recognizer. So here we go. This is the model of home automation. Here I have taken LED, door and fan for automation. Now we have to give the commands to the speech recognizer. Here first we have to enter the IP address of our node MCU. Okay. Open door. Open door. See, the door has been opened. Close door. Now LED automation. Light on. Light on. Fan on. See, the light, door and fan has been on and closed. Fan off. Now light off. We have done the automation of light, door and fan. This all have been done by the speech recognizer through which we have sent the commands to the node MCU. When the Wi-Fi of the node MCU is connected with the Wi-Fi of our mobile phone, then only we can send the commands. When the commands are sent from the speech recognizer, the node MCU initiates the operation and our appliances are on or off. We can control our home through this. Here is our code. This is the Arduino IDE where I have written the functions and everything operations of all the appliances. The language I have used is C and C++. This is the serial monitor which is showing all the operations. LED on, LED off, fan on, fan off and door open, door close. All these things we can see on the serial monitor. Now this is the working of my model. When Wi-Fi is connected on the mobile and node, we have to send the voice commands which device we need to on or off to the speech recognizer. Now speech recognizer will send the commands to the node MCU ESP8266. ESP8266 will now initiate the operation and turn on or off the LED and fan, open, close the door. That's it. I have used Node MCU ESP8266 as a microcontroller and the Wi-Fi shield. Node MCU is the IoT platform which is used to build the IoT products. It is the internet of my IoT device home automation using voice recognition. It provides the internet and the Bluetooth. Relay module. Relay is used as the hardware device for the remote switching and giving the higher voltage to the devices such as fan and LED. For the door automation, I have used the servo motor. Servo motor connections has been done on the Node MCU. It does not require much power, so the node gives +5 voltage and we have connected our servo motor to the Node MCU. This is the circuit diagram of my model. As you can see here, the LED has been connected to the AC input and relay. Also, its one pin is connected to the Node MC. For fan automation, I have used the BO motor. It operates on 12 volt. So our node cannot give much power. We have used relay for operating this. For door automation, we have used servo motor, and for fan automation, we have used BO motor. For both fan automation and LED automation, we have connected it with the relay as our node cannot power much power. Okay. This voice controlled home automation can be used by the blinds and the people who live alone to access, check and control the home devices from anywhere. As you know, the pandemic corona is spread by touching or having contact with the things. I hope my project will be useful as it avoids the direct contact between the appliances and switches. All the things are done via voice commands. Also, I would like to mention that I was single in the project, so I have learnt many things. At the last, I want to thank you all my faculty members who have helped me and supported me to successfully complete my project.